Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix the Proton Mail browser not supported error. Whether you're unable to access your inbox, seeing compatibility warnings, or finding that certain Proton Mail features won't load properly, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. So let's get started. First, understand that Proton Mail relies on modern web technologies to provide secure email services. If your browser is outdated or missing required features, Proton Mail may display a browser not supported message. The first thing you should do is check which browser you're currently using. Popular modern browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari are generally supported when running recent versions. And ensure you're using the standard modern browsing mode. If none of these solutions resolve the problem, contact Proton Mail support and provide details about your browser name, browser version, operating system, and any specific error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix the Proton Mail browser not supported error. By updating your browser, reviewing extensions, clearing browser data, and using a supported environment, you can resolve most compatibility issues and access Proton Mail normally. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.